In today's video, we are going to be doing DIY Christmas baskets. This is kind of like a Christmas tradition for me. I did it last year on my channel, I think even the year before. I'll leave a link to that video down below. I'm doing Vlogmas every day over on my second channel if you're into all the Christmassy fun stuff. So let's jump into it. Okay, first up, let's start with the beauty basket. My favorite because you guys know I am beauty obsessed. This one is very easy to make. You can learn through my trial and error what works. So first up, let's start with the basket. I believe I picked this up at Michael's. If I can find it online, link down below. Starting just with some normal gift tissue paper. So I started with red. I just wanted to do red because I just thought it complemented the basket nicely. And I love the little furry trim around the top of the basket with the little handles. It just made this so easy. So I started with the red tissue paper, packed that in, and as you'll later see, I needed to go back in and add more, but we'll get to that in a second. Starting with the Laura Mercier Luxe Indulgences hand collection. I love this. I think it's perfect to put into any gift basket. Laura Mercier did send this to me for free. Thank you so much, Laura Mercier, because I love this lotion. You actually get 4 lotions in one, and I just put that in the basket with these foil shreds. Now, take note from me to you, these things are a pain in the arse. Oh my gosh, that's right, I said arse, A-R-S-E. They get everywhere, they're hard to pick up. I love the way they look, they're just shiny, fun, glittery, holiday goodness, but they are a biatch to clean up and they go everywhere. Next, I'm sticking all of my beauty goodies in here. I'll leave a link to all this stuff down below. You guys know I'm a big fan of Clarins, and I love that the red matched the red tissue paper and the red box. Also put in a Caudalie eye cream. This is a very high-end box because this eye cream is not affordable, but it's a good one. Also threw in the La Vanilla Healthy Deodorant. So the way I start with my gifts baskets is I really just start putting everything in there. The More Pacific enzyme peel, and then I go in and rearrange, and I usually change everything, which you'll see. Also put in the Mamondy Lip Sleeping Mask. All of these things are things that I got from my Black Friday Cyber Monday haul. If you haven't seen that video, link down below. So as you see, I throw everything in there and then I'm like, wait a minute. I realized they look too low. It didn't look as if I had enough tissue paper. So then what I did was take out everything, the foil shreds, the paper, and pack more tissue paper in. So note from me to you, always put more tissue paper than you think you need. So you see I took everything out. And this is why I know the foil shreds go everywhere and they're a pain in the arse, because if you have to take them out, I mean, I literally think I found some foil shreds up my Shih Tzu's butt. I'm not even kidding. So I love the way it looks, but just proceed with caution. So you see now, it looks so much better now that I've packed in a lot of tissue paper in. And now we're gonna go in with the final touches. I got these little glitter leaves from Amazon. Most of this stuff I got from Amazon or Michael's, link down below. So once I put in all the products and it looks nice and full, I put in these leaves just to do the finishing touches, and I put in a little ornament. I actually would have liked to add more ornaments. Packed in an ornament in there, and it just looks so cute. I really love the way this turned out. I was thinking of wrapping it in like a clear plastic so you could carry it by the plastic, but because this one has handles, I think it's perfect the way it is. I love this basket. It's huge. You can fit a lot of stuff in it, and I just love the way this turned out. If someone gave me this basket, I would literally have a heart attack because I love these products, but I'm gonna give this basket to myself because I bought all these things, except for the Laura Mercier hand lotion. Moving on, we're gonna do a candy basket. This basket is not my favorite, but it's cute. It's red, it's green, so I thought, why not just stick with some red and green tissue paper? So that's what I'm gonna do. And this basket isn't as deep as the beauty basket, so I didn't need as much tissue paper. So we're starting with the classic Crisp Kringle Chocolate Santas. I first put these in the back. Again, this is the same thing. I throw everything in there and then I think, wait a minute, I don't like the way this looks, as you'll see. So I put in this Reese's Pieces little handle thing. As you'll see later, I took that out because it just didn't fit the theme. Have these little mini peppermint candy canes that I just threw in, which you'll see again. I'll rearrange. I'm telling you, that's my process. I get everything in the basket and then I'm like, okay, let us rearrange this. So I just kind of threw those in haphazardly everywhere, and then I took some large candy canes and put those all around the basket. And then I kind of came up with this idea. This could be a candy cane basket. I really wasn't planning on having that happen, but I really love the way this turned out. So I just went around the rim of the basket with the large candy canes, and then I took all the little candy canes out. I told you guys this is my process, and I was like, I don't know if this Reese's Pieces thing really fits the vibe that I'm going for. So I made the large candy canes go around neatly, took that Reese's Pieces thing out, and then I came back with the mini candy canes and laid them kind of not neatly, but somewhat more organized all along the bottom. And then I took these little, what are they called? Glitter foam picks. I think you're supposed to put this in your yard or something. I'll show you a close-up. So it's like a little glitter mitt and then a little glitter shoe, and they're on these little foam picks, so you can stick them in anything you want. They bend really easily, and I love that they're glittery. You guys know, if you don't know, if you're new around here, I am glitter obsessed year-round, not just Christmas time. And I love the way that this turned out. I'm actually, the table you're looking at, I'm gonna leave it on that table because that's in our entryway. And I think it's perfect. You just come in and grab a treat. I love the way that turned out. Next up, we're gonna be doing a gift card box because we all give gift cards on Christmas. Why not do something fun? Put it in a little box. Pick this box up from Amazon. It just comes as an empty little gift box, and I thought, why not make this fun? So I took the dreaded foil shreds, which I love the way they look. They're just a pain in the arse. Stuff that in the box. Then I had these little gold circular things that I picked up again from Amazon. I don't know what you call them, like party confetti, I guess. And I just thought that would be a nice little touch. Put that in the box. And then I also had some more glitter leaves, the same ones that I had from the beauty box. Put that in there. And I just thought this would be a fun way to give someone a gift card without just handing them an envelope, you know? Because a lot of people think gift cards are not personal already. I personally love getting gift cards, but if you put this little touch on it, I feel like it adds a little personal spin. So I had 2 gift cards that I just have because people know I love getting gift cards. I just stuck them in there, and you kind of have to dig for them, but I think it makes it even more fun. And that is it. Hopefully you enjoyed. Don't forget to check out the second channel for all the Vlogmas that I'm doing and the Christmas videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hopefully you enjoyed. Let me know if you're going to be making any of your own Christmas baskets this Christmas season, and I will see you soon.